Football media days in Hoover today. Georgia, Ole Miss, Tennessee, and Texas A&M with the teams answering all the questions. Texas A&M could challenge Alabama in the West this season. Got a tough schedule, though. The Aggies finished tied for second in the West last year. They were 9-4 overall. Jimbo Fisher says his players are much more comfortable heading into year two.
The thing that excited me most about the off-season program, spring practice, and then going in was how they approached it. I think the first year, which was understandable, they didn't know how we wanted things done. They really embraced at the success they had at the end of the year, going into the offseason, understanding why we have the offseason, why we practice like we practice.
Meanwhile, Ole Miss not ready to challenge in the SEC just yet, but Matt Luke's team is bowl eligible now that the NCAA sanctions are gone. Ole Miss is young this season. There's Matt Luke, and he says his team will play with an attitude.
Playing with an edge and playing with that emotion and that chip on your shoulder will be very important for a young football team. And I'm excited about the opportunity. There's going to be a lot of new faces.
All right, over in the SEC East, Georgia have really been king of the mountain for the past 2 years. The two-time defending champs aren't quite ready to give that up. Head coach Kirby Smart and quarterback Jake Fromm among the Bulldogs roaming the hallways in Hoover today. No doubt the Dogs have a bullseye on their back. They're 14-2 in the SEC in the past 2 years. Kirby Smart says there is no way he and his players are getting comfortable or complacent.
I think we always look internally to say, what can we do better? We do that as a staff. I hope each one of you guys do that, because I think, when you're green, you grow, and when you're right, you ride. And we're always trying to stay green. Remember
that, when you're green, you grow. Blah, blah, blah. Tennessee head coach Jeremy Pruitt likes the direction his team is headed as they go into his second season in Knoxville. The Vols 5-7 last year. Pruitt says his team will be plenty motivated here in 2019.
I guess the history is not going to have any effect on what's going to happen in the future, right? Whether you had success or you didn't. Each Saturday, you kind of get a chance to make history, and I think our guys are excited about building this team. They've worked extremely hard and come a very long ways in the last 18 months.
All right, going to be a crazy day out there tomorrow. Alabama will be in town tomorrow morning. Auburn arrives on Thursday.